Kala ko malaki. Puro hangin. Huwag padadaya sa maling akala. Baka ang detergent mo, may hangin din. Wash this. Brandex Contra Tide. Ibuhos. Magsindaming powder. Pitpitin. Brandex, umimpis. Hangin lang pala yun. Tide, halos di gumalaw. Siksik sulit. Try nyo pa. Tide, busing sa kaputian. 850 lang.
P&G.
Angel, dandruff ba yan?
Hindi
Paano mo alam?
Kasi I have other ways to tell na I'm dandruff-free.
With Best Ever Head and Shoulders. It helps you be up to 100% dandruff-free forever. So you see, smell, and feel dandruff-free.
See? Sabi ko sa'yo powder lang yan.
Best Ever Head and Shoulders.
P&G.
Sa dami ng activities ng ating mga anak, kailangan niya ng energy for school. Kaya dapat, pabaunan niyo sila ng nutritious snack, gaya ng Tiger with Enermax. Gawa sa wheat at may milk. Sa Tiger, energy ang pabaon mo.
Muntik na. Konsyensya?
Tama lang nahugasan yan bago isubo ni baby. Pero tama bang mag-bar solution? Masdan.
Puro germs na lumilipot sa hugasan. Hindi ligtas para kay baby.
Mag-joy with the power of Safeguard. Removes 99.9% of germs.
Mas safe para kay baby. Konsyensya. Pahugas naman, no?
Makonsyensya ka naman. Joy with the power of Safeguard.
P&G.
Tita! Lydia!
Guess what? First day ni Bea sa grade school today.
So whole day na siya. Oh, ba't yan ang pinipili mong sabon? Pag whole day ang school, whole day exposed sa skin germs. Choose Safeguard. Unlike beauty soaps, daily use of Safeguard gives protection with no expiration from skin germs. Kaya don't compromise. Choose lasting protection.
Tama.
Heat, sweat, and grease make you more prone to dandruff. New Clear Men, which has cooling mint, ginseng, and tea tree. It gives you 24-hour freshness and protects you from dandruff. New Clear Men 24-hour freshness. Zero dandruff.
Pwede. Pwedeng-pwede.
Pwede sa amin yan!
Pwedeng-pwede. Basta crispy fry.
Chef Rosebud, basta sinabi mo, try ko to.
Pwede kang mag-crispy fried fish sa Crispy Fry. Mag-coat, fry,
Sarap ng amoy!
and go lang.
Wow, tilapia!
Ganyan kalutong. Ganyan kasarap ang pritong tilapia with Crispy Fry.
Pwedeng isa pa?
Pwedeng-pwede. Basta crispy fry.
Ang katibayan ng tibay nagsisimula sa ating sarili. Dahil sa tibay ng bawat isa, nakasalalay ang tibay ng nakararami. Yan ang tinutulungang pagtibayin ng Pear Brand Sterilized. Dahil ang katibayan ng tibay, nasa tibay ng isa, tibay ng marami, tibay ng bawat Pilipino.
Nestle. Good food, good life.
New Nido 40 Choco!
The goodness of milk in choco flavor.
Good Choco to!
New Nido 40 Choco from Nestle.
Meet the powder of a new generation. Clear Smooth All-in-One from Maybelline, New York. The do-it-all, through-it-all, all-in-one super powder.
We want more.
Only our ultra-fine oil-absorbing powder controls shine, brightens, and protects all-in-one.
Never greasy.
With Pro Vitamin C and SPF 25. Want more?
Get more.
Go shine-free, brighter, flawless all day. Clear Smooth All-in-One, only $2.49.
Kailangan ng magtipid, pero ayokong tinitipid ang anak ko.
At hindi dapat. Nido 3 Plus is siksik with nutrients. And it's the only one with Lactobacillus protectus. At only 199 pesos, siksik, pero di kasing mahal. Mag Nido 3 Plus na.
Naka-leather jacket, kahit mainit. Medyo bad boy. Pumara ng jeep, pero di sumakay. Medyo bad boy. Kuma-counterflow sa escalator. Medyo bad boy.
Itong sayo! Wala pang bawas yan.
Kumain ng chicharon, pero vegetarian. Medyo bad boy.
Mortis crackling.
I'm La Arnie. I'm a mother. I may be scarred, but not for life. Thanks to Contractubex, my scars lightened, flattened, and softened. I've moved on. Contractubex, the brand most prescribed by doctors.
Cocoa Crunch!
My favorite cereal! Miss Black is stealing the Cocoa Crunch chocolate!
It's all mine!
Let's go! I'd do anything for Cocoa Crunch!
Go for it, Coco!
All the delicious chocolate goes into every piece of Cocoa Crunch! Cocoa Crunch, the great chocolatey taste!
Join Batman from the Justice League in spectacular battles with the Justice League card game. Free with selected Nestle breakfast cereals.
Oh, meron pa palang isa eh.
Ah, para kay RK yan.
Sino yun?
Friend kong alien.
Oh!
From planets Karoa.
Oh!
Oh, cool siya. Kulay green.
Oh!
Unbelievable? Enjoy Fun-O Roundwich, an out-of-this-world snack bursting with exciting flavors.
Di kasi sila naniniwala sa alien eh. Oh!
Grab your Fun-O now!
I love him completely, and I'll do anything to keep him at his best. Josh, it's mealtime. Look at my son now. That's why every day I only serve him what's healthy and good for the heart. But he won't eat anything that's not delicious. Good thing there's San Marino corn tuna. It's both delicious and healthy. For me, nothing is better than this. Find true love in San Marino.
Hindi naman ako matalino ah. Masipag lang ako.
Ang sakit sa tummy. Of course, I know.
What's cooking?
Eddie fried fish, pinya level up. Just mix in ingredients, add Del Monte pineapple tidbits, and pour the sauce. Para buhay na buhay ang sarap.
Ang sweet naman! Paano ako?
Marami pa.
Orkiba News, ganito ang pagbabalita. Porky gawang nakasanayan, the best tosino na. Paanong gawa sa young pork na fantastic tosino? Malambot at masarap. Ikaw, saan gawa ang tosino mo? May sulitak din.
Ganito kumain ng Oreo. Gayahin mo, ha?
Hello!
Yes? Tama, tapos lick. Tapos dong. Ayan. Only Oreo.
Handa?
Inom!
Tara! Kainan na! Handa? Inom! Kainan! Pasigla! Ang-tag! Ang-tag! Araw-araw na! Pasiglahin ang kainan with 10!
Kuya Victor, Mang Small Big. Nanay ko, si Nanay Lydia. Ito kapatid ko, si Kuya Ping Ping.
Hindi kaya mga Tagalan ng mga ito?
Hindi kaya makasakit kami dito.
Ay, hindi ho. Katsang-katsa po tayo.
Milindol, kumapit kayo sa kakamitan.
Doktor, bakit?
Wala. Wala kaming makain.
Bakit mo ko tataw sa daga? Victor! Victor!
Ngayong Lunes, isang masayang kwentuhan at kantahan naman ang hatid sa atin ni Aling Maliit. Kasama ang Jukebox King na si April Boy Regino. Abangan yan dito sa The Brian Show!